In a world where technology reshapes every aspect of our lives, driving education is steering towards an exciting new horizon. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all driving lessons. Today, virtual reality and augmented reality are revolutionizing how we learn to navigate the roads. VR and AR immerse learners in realistic driving scenarios, from bustling city streets to challenging weather conditions, all from the safety of a classroom. Artificial intelligence tailors the learning experience, adapting in real time to meet the unique needs of each student, ensuring no one is left behind. With mobile apps, learners can practice theory tests, learn road signs, and even simulate driving experiences right at their fingertips, anytime, anywhere. The future of driving education is not just about passing a test. It's about creating safer, more aware drivers through technology that engages, informs, and adapts. As we navigate this digital transformation, the challenge remains to balance technological advancements with the irreplaceable value of hands-on experience. Navigating the future of driving education means embracing technology, not as a replacement, but as a bridge to safer, more effective learning experiences. Join us in exploring the cutting edge of driving education. Visit our blog and follow us on social media to stay ahead of the curve.